You're gonna love the 2024 Lincoln Corsair. Make the most of family outings in this refined and secure Corsair. From its silky smooth ride and touchscreen infotainment to its confidence-inspiring capability, this luxury compact SUV has you covered in style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, 4-cylinder engine, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, power passenger seat. There's never been a better time to indulge in the luxury you deserve. Get behind the wheel of this impressive Corsair. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.